G'day everyone! So in this video we're going to be going over number lines and how to represent inequalities on the number line. So firstly, just want to look at what I've written down here. So just remember we have a closed dot. This represents equal to and greater than, or less than or equal to. So when there's an equal sign involved, so including that point, it's got the closed, or it's a colored in or filled in circle. And the open one, this is when it's greater than or less than, so not equal to. Okay, so our first one is x is less than 4. Okay, so we go to 4 on our number line. We put an open circle because it's less than and not including that point. And because the small, I like to see wherever the small end is, so the closed end, that points to where essentially what it's going to be, the smaller number. So x is going to be less than, or less than 4, sorry. It's not working here. There we go. So that's the less than. Alright. So x is less than 4. So our number line, this is x. So all the numbers are going to be less than 4. Okay? And you just draw an arrow on the end to show that that keeps on going forever and ever. Okay? Next, we have x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Okay? So just remember the open or the large side is near the x, so it's read as greater than. Okay, x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So with this, we're greater than or equal to, this is the closed dot, so you do a closed on negative 3, and because x is greater than, so this is x, all our numbers here, we go all the numbers that are going to be above negative 3. Okay. Lastly, we have x is greater than negative 3, but less than or equal to 1. Okay? So x is greater than negative 3, so we got negative 3, and that's going to be an open one, because it's just greater than, it's not equal to as well. Okay? And then at 1, this is where it's less than or equal to 1. So 1 is going to have a closed dot. Okay? And when you have it in between 2 points, all you do is a line in between these points to show that it could be any single point on that graph. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Alright, you don't need to have an arrow here because it's not going to keep on going above 1 or below negative 3. Okay, so this is how you do all these, and I'll just write them just next to them. So just really the trick is to understand what your symbols mean, okay, and if it's going to be an open or closed circle. Okay, so just make sure you practice knowing what each symbol is and what it represents. Okay, so know your greater thans, your less than equal to, or greater than equal to. So good luck with that, and hopefully this helps.